In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code or embed codes in Wix. If you've ever wanted to add a chat widget, a newsletter form, a booking tool, or a content block that a service gives you as a small snippet of code, this is how to place it on your Wix site safely and correctly. First, open your site in the Wix editor and go to the page and section where you want the feature to appear. On the left side, click the plus icon to add elements. This opens the Add panel, which is where Wix keeps everything you can place on a page. From there, click Embed Code. This area is designed for bringing in content from outside Wix, and it supports things like iframes, HTML, and many common embed snippets from third-party services. It's the right place when a platform tells you to copy and paste this code into your website. Next, choose Embed HTML. Wix will drop a placeholder box onto your canvas. You can drag it into position and use the corner handles to resize it so it fits your layout. If you don't see the code input right away, click Enter Code or the settings icon on that element to open the editor. Now paste your code into the field. Make sure you paste the full snippet provided by your service, whether it's an iframe, a script, or a short div with an external script tag. Avoid pasting entire web pages or tags like HTML, head, or body. You only need the embed snippet. For security and performance, only use code from sources you trust and ensure any links use HTTPS. Never paste sensitive information, such as passwords, API keys, or personal data into this box. The code you add becomes part of your site. If your provider offers a responsive version of the embed, use that for better results across screen sizes. When you're ready, click Apply. Wix will attempt to render the embed right inside the placeholder so you can preview the result. If it doesn't show immediately, don't worry. Some providers load only in a licky view or may require a moment to initialize. You can adjust the element size after applying, so there's no unwanted scroll bars or clipping. If the box appears blank, double check that the provider allows embedding and that the URL isn't blocked from iframes. Also, keep in mind that very heavy scripts can slow pages down, so use only what you need. That's the complete workflow. Open the Add panel, go to Embed Code, choose Embed HTML, paste your snippet, and apply. With those simple steps, you can bring powerful tools and widgets into your Wix pages without custom development. Take a moment to align the element with your design and add a short caption or heading nearby so visitors know what they're seeing. Thanks for watching and enjoy enhancing your site with embeds.